Thank you, Greg. Billy, you know what we have here? The best team in the Big Ten, the Big Ten champion, Ohio State Buckeyes.
Jim, you know what I have here, Jim? I just got the brackets. That you're on the second line.
Yeah. Hey, Coach, I got to ask, the first two matchups were so tight with Wisconsin. Today, you guys pulled away in the second half. What was the difference in this one?
Well, I think these guys, and they've done this all year long, they've shown great toughness, great grit, and they're committed to the team, and I thought we had a great team effort today.
How about, now Billy's kidding around over there about being on the two line. How important is it, you've just won the Big Ten championship, brackets are coming out here within the hour, to be the overall #1 team of the tournament? Is that something you'll be thinking about?
Yeah, I'm not even sure how that all works. I think that it'll be a great honor if we are. We're looking forward to playing whoever we play next week.
Billy?
Jamar, I know as a senior this is very important to you, particularly the leadership that you've shown throughout the time, taking this rookie here with you in the backcourt and doing such a great job. How does it feel to be the champs?
It feels really good. Outright championship in the Big Ten, then to win the Big Ten tournament, hopefully #1 seed in the tournament feels great.
Mike, I want to ask you, we were kidding before about this new play you've invented where you drive to the basket, try to get that man to come over, take the shot, and the big guy's coming behind you. What's that all about?
Hey, that's how it works out sometimes. I make half of them, miss half of them. He'll put the rest back in, so that worked.
Pretty good play, pretty efficient for you. Nice going there, Captain, today. Terrific job.
Well, we just try to come out here and play hard and give the fans something to do. We just come out here, play together, and get the victories.
And let me ask you one other question. How about the big fella, if we can get him to turn around right here with that tremendous first half? Greg, when's the last time you had no points, no shots in a half?
I don't even remember. I at least throw one up, but they're a good defensive team, so what can I do?
Well, great job, and I enjoy watching you play as a humble guy. And I like this new play he's invented now where he drives to the basket. You don't have anybody on you and just finish him off.
I just move out the way and let him do what he do.
Well, he does a great job, Jimmy.
Well, Coach, I know you love these kids, and how about these two in your arms right here before we go?
Loves of my life, man. This is why I do it right here, and they're all part of the family.
Congratulations, Dad, on a super season. Good luck, guys. March Madness coming up. It'll only continue for the Big Ten champion Buckeyes. So impressive today. And let's send it back to you, Greg Gumbel in New York.
All right, Jim and Billy, thank you. I'll tell you the last time Odin was blanked like that is when he was out hurt and didn't play.
That's exactly right. But a terrific second half by the Buckeyes, and you can just see them getting better and better and better. And Greg Oden turned it on, but everybody did. That's what they've been about all season long. Everybody contributed.